as I watch you move across the moonlit room. There's so much tenderness in your loving. Tomorrow I must leave, the dawn knows no reprieve. God, give me strength when I am leaving. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday. And tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight to calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness. As we move to embrace, tears run down your face. I whisper words of love so softly. I can't believe this pain, it's driving me insane. Without your touch, life will be lonely. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday.